Picture this. It's early. The office is still dark. No keyboards, no chatter, no quick questions or private decisions. Just silence. The soft glow of a single monitor in the conference room at the end of the hallway. Most people don't even know the room down at the far end of the office is actually booked today. But one person is already in there reviewing yesterday's decisions, rewriting notes, walking through the conversations that didn't go so well, and preparing for the ones that matter today. There was no audience, definitely no applause. The status update was basically you just need to be present. Just the quiet work that separates project managers from leaders, because the truth is, great project managers aren't great in meetings. They're great because of what they do before the meeting. And what they do before anyone's watching is what changes everything. I'll never forget it, family. I had to learn this principle the hard way. I remember the first day I was told to hand over one of my projects. First question I had was, have they decided to cancel the project? Sponsor was like, no, but I need you over at this project because now it has become a priority. Okay, sounds good. But when do I have to make the transition? Sponsor came back and said, well, you have 5 days before we actually start. And family, if I'm being transparent, matter of fact, if I'm just being honest, the moment never really feels good when you are leading a project because you begin to develop a bond with your project team in which took time to develop through trust, transparency, and most of all, commitment. Interesting fact, family. This wasn't the first time this has actually happened to me in my career. See, I thought back to my mentor, the person I discussed this with the first time I got reassigned, and I asked, how do I handle this without looking like I lost control of my project? He didn't blink. He didn't even coddle me. He said, if they take a project out of your hands, you hand it over so clean, so clear, so documented that no one, and I do mean no one, can question the work that you did. See that advice right there? It saved me. This is why I said the power of mentorship and coaching is so important, especially because the team I was leading back then lived by the same rule. If I pushed back on something we agreed on and didn't have documentation, they'll look me dead in the face and say, hey, Ed, I'm just going to be honest with you. Can you show me the document to support that actual decision? See, no documentation, no progress means no excuses as well. So I'm here again, years later, in the same situation, asked to hand over another project. But this time, I didn't take it personal. I didn't get defensive. I just asked myself, if I were the project manager inheriting this project, what would I need to succeed? I got it. Clarity, context, commitment. You're going to need names, resources, access, and zero surprises. So I pulled everything together: the charter, the RACI, the schedule, the meeting recaps, the stakeholder register, any and every artifact that told the story that leadership never sees. Then I did something rare. I scheduled 5 1-hour handoff sessions, one every day. After each session, I wrote a full meeting recap, no loose ends, no assumption. By Friday, I created a clean, sharp 2-page guide with every link, every owner, every decision, every document, every path forward, not because someone asked me to do it. Not because it would make me look good. No, not really, but because I believe this. A project manager's job is to lead things better than they found them, especially when no one is watching. I didn't just hand over a project. I handed over clarity. I handed over stability. I handed over leadership. And that is one thing I understood that sometimes we forget. See, great project managers don't manage. They prepare others to succeed, even in their absence.